So compare this to the electric bus, a big difference. Looks like there's more passenger fits on this. Wow. You know how to drive? Good job.
I already went to the old.
Ooh. Guys, hello, welcome to my channel. We're gonna have an exciting day today. We're gonna be going to TTC Garage. It's Toronto Transit Garage depot where they keep all the buses, and it's open to the public where we can go in and see what they've got. All the buses and the train, right guys? All right, so we're gonna go on that building right there. All right, you guys ready? Excited?
Yes.
Excited to go and see it, buddy?
Yes.
Okay.
I've never been there.
Yeah, we're gonna go in this building right here. Okay, let's try to cross safely. Close safely. All right, let's go. It's a beautiful day today, Saturday. And hoping there's a lot of people here. So that's the Toronto Transit right there. All right, let's go here. Oh, wow, look at that, guys. Malin, look. Look at all that. This is our Toronto Transit buses. We're gonna go check out which one of these. Kids can go in there and oh, these new ones. We're going this one? Here, we're gonna check this one. So this is the Toronto Transit bus right here. So this is a city bus, and we're gonna check the inside. This is the driver's seat. Check this out. There's the view. Look how nice. Being the blue. You don't see it as a priority seats. Huh? See, there's a wheelchair. So the pole is up.
Can we go to the back?
Yeah, I can go and check it out. Yeah. Yeah. It's like you haven't seen the buses before. Huh? That's that's the button when you want to stop for your next stop, and you hold on to this.
I think this is actually good exercise
Yeah.
for stretching. Yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah, so this is complete about 50 people. Yeah, here, look at this.
So like it's raining.
Yeah, this is the big sea map of the city of Toronto. All right. Riley, you want to go check another bus?
I don't know.
Come on, let's go.
I don't want to press the line.
Yeah.
Press the line.
Yeah. Yeah, so again, these are the city bus in Toronto. They are turning to electric buses now. So this is somehow new bus. Yeah, okay, let's go in this one. Oh, let's go here. If we can get on the sitting. Yeah, let's go inside there. All right, beautiful day. Look at, this is a wheelchair bus right here. Yeah, put up the people here. So this is inside the garage. These are the controls. So this is a history of where they started here in Danforth Carhouse back in the 60s. Historic 1991.
Look, that's the garage.
Yeah, this is the garage. This is the area where they keep the buses and maintain. Here's all the controls. Oh, look at that, buddy. The civic cameras on the station. There it is. Look at that. All the stations. Huh? Yeah, this is the old. These are all pictures of the old subway stations, new and old.
This is 2023.
Oh, just new ones. Okay. Can we take it?
No, there's another stuff there you can get.
Oh, all right. And this is their computer where they control the CCTV cameras on the stations. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go. Babe, he wants to go back to the bus. Okay.
It's the same size of
Yeah.
bus. The toy bus.
Okay, we'll go back to this electric bus. You want to go to the TC officer? Go here. Here, look, come here. Here, we can get something here, see? Oh, look, buddy. Look. Take. Wow. Oh, take two. Take two. Huh? Take, you can make the bus like that. Take two.
One of each.
Gabi. All right, take two. We can turn it into a little. Okay, hold that. Take the other one. Yeah. We can build that into a car, a bus. Okay, hold that.
We can do that
Ready, hold.
later.
Here.
And give it to Gian too.
Yeah. Hold that, Mama. Give it to Mama.
Want some pencils or pen?
So they give away this. This is how they build this to that. All right, we got some giveaways and pens and pencils. Big giveaways, pens and pencils. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, yeah, some collectible. Right.
Puedes comprar acá hoy o puedes ir lo puedes ordenar en el
Shirt. Hey. Look at that. So this is their subway train track stations all across Toronto. This is the Toronto area. All right, again, they were showing a display of the buses. Yeah. Huh? How much? Yeah. Okay. How much is the bus? That
109.
109. Can I see? Oh yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
One collectible only.
But you're gonna take it out, Mother?
Yeah. That's 109.
How much are the pins in the market?
Huh?
Magnets are
Okay, Polita.
$11.95.
All right, just buy that.
Magnets are
This one too.
$9.95, pins are $11.
How much is that one?
The train, Riley.
And these pins are
Yeah.
Okay, Daddy will buy. Relax. Sorry, these pins.
What's the other one there?
That's a train.
This one, how much? Is it?
free.
Oh.
Take as many as you want.
Oh, the same toy as my bus.
Oh, that's a nice bus.
He loves it.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
just
You got your own? Yeah.
the bus, the train, subway.
All right, giveaway. Lots of giveaway. You got a bag, mask.
The subway train.
Good to see mask.
Streetcar?
Okay.
Yeah, we would check on the website.
All right. Again, guys, we are here at the Toronto Garage where they're showing a display open to the public what they've got. Beautiful day, family day. Okay, so we're gonna buy this collectible streetcar. This is for like $109. So we'll just buy this. All right, let's buy it. Okay. You got that, buddy? Huh? You want that? Okay. That's a collectible, huh? So you can't really play that. It's gonna display and look. This is their transit special constable. So every, I guess, transit TTC Transit Commission have like an officer to really keep an eye on any troubles in the subway station. This is a cruise car. Got that. Riley, Molly, do you want to go inside here? Oh yeah, hold on. All right, here. All right, so this is 109, right? Price is. Where's the price for that? Oh, sorry. Oh, right here. $99.
And what was the magnet set?
The magnet?
Stop markers?
Yeah.
And receipt options are email or text?
Email it. Of AL. Yeah, I'll got it. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
In your bag?
Yeah. Thank you. All right. So wait for that, Riley. All right. You want to go in this one? All right. Let's go here. Good. Yeah. You want to check out this one? Okay. All right. Oh, let's go. Oh, it's kind of new one. New electric bus. Oh, they have little buttons here.
The buttons
Yeah.
are taller.
The charger. Yeah. Yeah. So this is the buttons where you wanna ask for your next stop. Where do you want to get off at? Or what bus stop you want to get off at? Just push this, and the bus driver will actually stop. Oh, sorry. Okay. Anyway, check that. Wait, Marlene, wait. Okay, go inside. Here. You two can sit together. All right. So this is their driver control sitting. Yeah, here. Take a picture of us.
Okay, guys.
Hey guys, take a picture.
Ready, 1, 2, Ready.
Marlene.
Riley.
Marlene.
Riley, look at here.
Yay.
Riley.
So you want to be a bus driver? Huh? So this is the steering wheel of the bus. There are all the control here on the side, lights, horn, all the safety features. This is where you put your fare. You can have like a Presto, like a Gcash. You can scan it here, or you can put cash here. Yeah. Come on, let's go. Yeah, let's go over. Thank you. Okay, wait. Here. You're the old bus? All right. Old bus, electric bus. Oh, this is the older bus. All right. Ready? Yeah, this is the older bus. All right, let's go. Yeah, excuse me.
Yep.
All right. Wow, remember this? Look how nice this one. Yeah, it's an older bus. This is original.
This is the best
Yeah, it's huge. Yeah, that's right. Again, they can fit about 50 to 60 people here. People will be sitting down here, and people will be standing, holding all the bars right here. So, I was about 50. There's no capacity, I don't think, on this bus. Yeah. And there's an exit in the back. Yeah. And there's a window. Back then, there probably no aircon. Okay, let's go out. Did you got another one?
No,
This camera. What's that? Excuse me. What's the capacity on this? How many people fit in the thing? There's no limit, right? I mean,
As long as
we will fit, we can
as
stand.
long as they're behind the white
That's right. That's right. Thank you. Yeah. Wow. You know how to drive? Good job. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, in this one?
Yeah,
Oh,
touching everything.
good job, buddy.
Driving a fast bus.
Come on, let's go. Have fun? Yeah. Yeah, so this is one of the oldest bus here. Look at that. Oh, and compare this to the electric bus, a big difference. Looks like there's more passenger fits on this. So wide and open inside. Let's go in the back. Check this out. Let's go around the back of the bus. So this is a regular bus fuel, and this is the electric. I think the rest of them are all electric right here. Yeah,
We're the same bus.
yeah. Like that.
That's
So
the same bus. That's the same bus.
they keep upgrading
Same bus.
buses, so somehow they're all different, but they're mostly electric. Hybrid. This is a hybrid one right here too, and this is an electric. Yeah. Come here. Again, there's no capacity within in the bus. If you can space to stand up, you can get in. Yeah. All right, let's go find mom. You want to go back inside here?
Yeah.
All right. So this is a. I think we've been there, buddy. I think we're in there already. Yeah, I think we kept there already. Yeah. Again, so Peter Britain, this is the electric one. So nice. Look at the nice seats. So clean. Again, I remember getting on this bus. I love this is my spot right here. I always love to sit in the back where I can see people here. You know, especially if it's a long ride. This is my spot. Usually I sit here by the window. Love the window part. And the blue ones are special priority seats. Elderly and with disability. All right. All right, let's go see mom. All right, again, guys, it's a beautiful day here. Family day. Oh, let's go try this one. This is the wheel transit. Yeah, we're gonna look inside. So this is kids, people with disability, with wheelchairs, through here. Look at big the space. Look at here, buddy. Yeah.
So we have something
So you can see it here. And you can actually in the back.
Customers book like a week in advance. So when I go in the morning, like the bus driver will pick up like his stopping point.
Okay, come.
You're driving up.
So let's go. Let's go.
For me, we don't press those buttons.
Right. So again, this is the wheel transit bus. People with wheelchairs can get access. And this is their driver side for all the controls and electronic stuff. Huh?
I said I went up.
Huh? Yeah, so here's Ryan. Malin wants to, Malin, you want to be a driver?
Yeah.
Oh, you are? Yeah.
Yeah, we got.
I get
I
paid
wanna
pretty well here.
Roll
riding
big
a
until
TTC
I
bus.
be a bus driver.
Yeah. Right, let's go. So, we're gonna. Hey. Huh? Yeah, we went in. We were just in there. We were just in here. Yeah, in the back. You're in the back here. We were there already. Malin. Yeah. Okay, let's go. All right, gotta go to. You gotta go to the old one. Riley, Malin. Oh, this is the older one? Yeah. Yeah. It's okay. Oh, they closed. Oh, the door. Oh. All right, guys. You want to go to the back?
That's okay. Just let them have their turn.
Yeah?
Let them have their turn.
Yes.
Then you have your turn.
Okay. Come on. Babe, take a picture of Marlon right here. Look. Go, Marlon. Go. Okay, pull that door.
Okay,
Sorry.
we'll
Come on.
sit in the driver's seat for a minute, okay?
Watch your step. All right, let's go. Ooh, ooh. Wow, that's the
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
distraction. All right, babe, a picture of me. Outside. Huh? You can take a picture. Marley, right here. It's a big space inside, huh? Oh. Here we go. All right, so we're into the back door of the old TTC bus. Riley, come here. Riley. Yeah. Yeah, so there, I remember riding this when I was a student. What? Riley, when I was a student, and I used to ride in this bus. Yeah. Back then there was no aircon, eh? No aircon. Yeah, I remember riding this box years ago. Oh, it was hot. You have to open this window. Oh.
Is there a heater over here?
Yeah, there's heater, but no aircon. For winter. All right, so again, this is a original TTC bus. There is no capacity in this. If you can get a space to sit down or stand up, you're good. All right. All right, let's go. All right, so again, this is the bus that I used to ride years ago when I was a student. I'm gonna go out here and see other buses right here. So it's nice to have days like this for the TTC. Display all their buses. See the buses? You see right here, Toronto, Ontario, Canada.
Yes.
So nice. But look at the lights. This is a new electric bus. Hybrid bus right here. That's another electric bus. Oh yeah, beautiful. All right, go around this bus. Boy, a lot of people want to see the inside of the older buses right here.
State.
Hello. Okay, so this is the newer electric bus. Look at that. So nice, beautiful buses down here. Pretty clean. Again, this is only the Toronto Transit. So within the Toronto area, there's millions of people here in Toronto. There's also some people don't have the cars. There's to get them to work and schools. Yeah. So this is their Presto automatic pay. This is your Presto card. Okay, let's go. All right, so I got more of this giveaway. You can build this. It's a cardboard, and you can build that into a bus or a streetcar. All right, put that. Here, there's a little bike rack right here. You can like this fold down like that. Comes down and put a bike right here. So 2 bikes can fit. And then the bus can, the bike owner can just ride on the bus, and you can just put the bike here. If it rained or if it decided to ride the bus while they were on the bike, you can put the bike here, and then you can go inside. And there's also a ramp here for wheelchairs. So they are lining up for a balloon. All these people. You guys lined up for balloon?
I want to
Go to the wheelchair. Come on, Riley. Yeah. So this is a wheelchair. Buses with disability wheelchairs here. So they can actually put the wheelchair right here, and they got all the lock, safety lock. Mount the chairs or hook the chairs on the floor right here. People that can actually walk, but with cane, walker, they can use the chairs. Put it down. But again, this is the inside of the wheel transit. See, you can fold it down. Yeah, and you have an action in the back here. So there's a ram that fold back. This open, the strap. Yeah. And this is the passenger side, driver side. Yeah. And this is where they pay. They have to pay. Just scan the card. All right. Okay. So you'll try. Oh, sorry. Okay. Dance. Go. Yeah, with the green light, it'll open. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's go.
What is your favorite?
At the back.
Me too.
The very back. Here is my favorite seat. I'll show you. Right here. Right in the corner. Right. The last one and the last one. Right here. This is what I said. So this is my favorite seating area right here in the back of the bus. The corner right here, close to the window. If not here, I'll go on the second row. I'll take this, anything that's close to the window. All right, so again, guys, this is Toronto Transit buses. Okay, let's go. Mama's calling. Come on. Let's go, buddy. Yes, babe. Right on one of the bus. The last bus close to the. All right, let's go. Okay, bye. All right. Yeah, so. They have glass, plexiglass. Okay, let's go. We got a ram. All right, nice. See, they got to line up for the balloon. Go. See how to open it? See, that's how you build it. Okay, take it apart and try it. Take it. Build that bus. Or a streetcar. Oh, bus. Yeah. You see? You just take it apart. Yeah. Build it. Okay, let's go. All right. Wow. Okay. All right, guys. We're gonna end this video. Again, it was a beautiful day here today. Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys, everybody, the kids like it. Riley, Malin, say hi. Huh? Hey, say hi. Have a good time. Again, thank you so much for watching, guys, and enjoy. Say bye-bye.
We're gonna get ice.
Bye. See you guys my next vlog. Peace. You know how to build? That's open the end of the, yeah, it's open, yeah. All right. Right, come on, there's cars. Woo. All right. Okay, let's go.